This 1969 Buick Skylark, boasting a mere 74,000 miles on the odometer, epitomizes timeless elegance fused with dependable performance. Its pristine interior, reminiscent of a bygone era, is a testament to meticulous care. With upgrades like the aluminum TA intake, custom-tuned kit carb, and TA284 cam, it's a blend of vintage charm and modern power. The recent additions of ceramic-coated headers, stainless dual exhaust, and a new master cylinder ensure both style and reliability. This Skylark isn't just a car. It's a rolling piece of automotive history that promises a smooth ride and endless nostalgic journeys. This 1966 Ford Fairlane Ranchero is a rugged classic, with a punchy 1970351 4V Cleveland engine under the hood, offering some serious go-fast potential. The rebuilt C6 automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts, while the added roll cage hints at its readiness for extreme performance. Equipped with power steering and front disc brakes, it promises a decent handling experience. The inclusion of a rare 390 GT hood adds to its allure, while the asking price of $9,850 seems reasonable for a vintage muscle car. Potential buyers should note the option to purchase the rolling body separately for $5,850. However, this deal subtracts for $0 if the engine and transmission are retained, which may leave some pondering their next move. The 1977 MGB Roadster boasts a unique twist, with its SBC 265 V8 engine upgrade, injecting American muscle into British charm. Despite minor rust and a need for a carpet kit, its clean body, recent repaint, and new tires ensure a captivating appearance. With a Muncie 4-speed transmission and no brakes, it promises a thrilling yet reliable ride, epitomizing the blend of classic style and modern performance. This 1963 Ford F-100 is a gem from the past, boasting a robust 292 V8 engine and a charming 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. With only 218 original miles on the odometer, it's a testament to its durability. The recent restoration efforts, including new glass, disc brakes, and a rebuilt carburetor, enhance its appeal. Its rustic origin from a Haywood County farm adds character, while the promise of a personalized paint job tantalizes the imagination. This truck is not just a ride. It's a journey through automotive history with every rev of its cherry bomb exhaust. Though awaiting its final coat of paint, its potential shines through, making it a solid investment for any classic car enthusiast. The 1973 Saab Sonata exudes vintage charm, with its bold orange exterior, showcasing its age through chips and fading. Despite missing interior components like the headliner, its originality adds allure. The recent engine rebuild, with performance upgrades, ensures a lively drive, complemented by a modified transmission. However, rust in the trunk and rockers warrants attention. Overall, this Sonnet offers a nostalgic driving experience with quirks typical of classic cars, appealing to enthusiasts seeking a unique ride. Thanks for tuning into KINGNA. We hope you enjoyed our quick roundup of 5 classic cars under $10,000. Stay tuned for more exciting content on classic cars. Don't forget to like, comment, and share our videos to support the channel. Until next time, happy cruising.